Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EnruigeOK Universal OBD OBD2 power cable for dash camera. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: low voltage protecting OBD2 dash cam power cable which has a built-in intelligent program control chip. Accurately detect the car battery voltage, constant 12/24 volt voltage to 5 volt. When the battery voltage is lower than 11.6 volt, will stops working to prevent the battery from wasting power. 2 mode with switch button. Mode surveillance, realize really 24-hour parking monitoring. Mode ACC, the OBD Hardwire kit will power off after 5 minutes when car turns off. The function of ACC is realized by detecting the voltage of the car. Within 5 minutes, since the electric quantity of the customer's car is still higher than 12.8 volt under flameout, our detection standard is 13 volt, the lowest is 12.8 volt. This 5 minutes is aimed at most cars in this range can be lower than 12.8 volt. Mode 1, press the red button, switch to mode dash. At this mode your dash cam will keep recording 24 hours no matter your car turn on or off. Suitable for parking monitor. Mode 2, press the red button, switch to mode O, this is ACC mode. At this mode your dash camera will turn on/off when your car turn on/off. Plug and play OBD power adapter. Dash cam power cable OBD2 cable makes your 24-hour monitoring easier. No wiring fuse operations, more convenient than all dash cam hardwire kit. Directly connect the OBD port with the dash car camera. High compatibility car cam charger. Best dash camera power cable for Jeep, Cherokee, Chevrolet, Toyota, trucks, and more, as long as you have the OBD port. Specially designed for dash cam GPS navigator, DVR, radar detector, and more mini USB port devices. Specification of OBD camera power. OBD camera power cable with mini USB port, cable length, 3.5 meter, or 11.5 feet, input, 12 to 26 volt, output, 5 volt/2.1 amp. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.